sweetest beauties, welcome back to my channel. I want to tell you guys something today. My friend was like, why you do not make up before doing your YouTube videos? I was like, I don't know how to make up. And she said, just stand in front of the mirror and the spirit of makeup will follow you. I don't know what is happening to me today. I don't know if it is the spirit of makeup, but let's talk about the video first. On today's video, we are preparing aloe vera juice for your hair. This aloe vera juice will help to stimulate your hair. It will help your hair to grow. It will help your hair to bounce, to help your hair to keep shining. It's a very wonderful plant. Aloe vera is also called a wonder plant or a miracle plant. Aloe vera is well known for its wonderful work on our skin or our hair. Okay, it's an antibacterial plant. It helps to balance your scalp pH. It treats fungus. It reduces parasites. Aloe vera helps to stimulate circulation. It helps to cool your scalp. It treats hair loss, itching of scalp, and dandruff. It also helps to reduce buildup on your scalp. It stimulates hair growth. It treats alopecia. This aloe vera is so wonderful, like they call it wonder plant. Aloe vera helps to reduce hair thinning and split ends. You can apply aloe vera on your hair as a hair conditioner. Applying aloe vera on your hair has been clinically proven to help in growing healthy and a strong hair. So guys, watch out on this video. See how I'm going to prepare this aloe vera juice. First thing, wash your aloe vera very well and use your knife to cut out the two sides of aloe vera that has thorns. Then use your spoon or whatever that you want to use to remove the aloe vera gel out of the plant. After removing the aloe vera gel, get your blender and put the aloe vera gel into the blender. In this video, I use 1 cup of water, but if the quantity of aloe vera that you're using is big, you can use more than a cup of water to blend your aloe vera gel. So here we are getting ready the aloe vera juice. Add your aloe vera into the blender, add your cup of water and blend until it turns to a very liquid form. After blending, sieve the aloe vera juice and add it into your spray bottle container. This aloe vera juice will serve you as a daily hair spray. This will keep your hair moisturized, good looking and healthy. You can store this aloe vera juice in your fridge. This will last you up to 2 weeks. This is the aloe vera juice that we got, and it's time to apply it on my hair to show you guys how you can apply the aloe vera juice on your hair. This is the aloe vera skin. In my next video, I will show you guys how to use your aloe vera skin and don't throw it away. Okay guys, this is how to apply the aloe vera juice on your hair. It's just simple. Just spray it on your hair like just normal, the way you spray your water on your hair. Guys, today I'm so happy. I don't know why I'm so happy. Oh my god, I'm loving this. Yes, girl, yes. Keep your natural hair healthy, keep it growing, keep it flourishing. That's my girl. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that's aloe vera. Oh guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. Yeah, right now. Okay, bye. See you on my next video.